Guys, what's going on? My name is Luis. Today is October 14, 2024, and God bless to every single one of you. Guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. We have an urgent breaking news update coming out, and it says here, drone targeting sleeping giant military bases are operated by Mothership. UFO claims top Pentagon official. Okay, so I think yesterday, 2 days ago, I posted a video. I think it's Virginia, if I'm not mistaken. There's a military base out there, and there's a lot of drones. I mean, we're talking about possibly maybe 50 or more out there, and they're trying to figure out who the drones belongs to. Now they're saying it belongs to either Russia or the Red Dragon. But we have information coming out is supposedly is a mothership. So once again, drone swarms targeting U.S. military bases are operated by Mothership UFO. All right, guys. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 U.S. Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. All right, so you guys already know I don't believe in UFO. I don't. I go by scriptures, all right? Nowhere in the Bible does it mention... Yeah, okay, the Bible does speak about angels or fallen angels or Nephilims or, even the genes, DNA of Goliath, the giants, and stuff like that. But when it comes to UFO, this is something that it's from the world, created by men. Now, some people's gonna be like, Lewis, it's not true. I seen it, Lewis. I know. Look. I'm not trying to, bring down anyone. Again, I'm just the type of person that I don't believe in this. I believe it's a deceiving system. A retired senior Pentagon official has confirmed that the UFO motherships were spotted, released. So, hold on. Okay. So, a retired senior Pentagon official has confirmed that the UFO motherships were spotted releasing swarms of smaller craft, adding further mystery to the still unexplained intrusions over multiple U.S. military bases. So, they were spotted. Supposedly, the mothership was spotted. They saw it. And it released a whole bunch of drones. His statements come amid the release of 50 pages of Air Force records related to provocative drone incursions that one general calls close encounters at Langley. For at least 17 nights last December, swarms of nosy, small UFO were seen at dusk, moving at a rapid speed and displaying flashing red, green, and white lights, penetrating the highly restricted airspace above Langley Air Force Base in Virginia. All right, so the mothership is out there. Here's the picture. I don't want to see none of this. I want to see the boss, the mothership. I'm kidding, guys. But yeah, this is the latest photo here. Now, the Gov are urging military bases not to take them down. Don't touch them. Don't do nothing. They ain't doing nothing to you. Don't do nothing to them. No lie. That's what they said. They put out their information. A senior ex-Pentagon security official, Chris, told thedailymail.com that the episode was part of a much larger pattern affecting numerous national security installations. Two of the notable aspects, he said, are the fact our drone signal jamming devices have proven ineffective and these craft are making no effort to remain concealed. In fact, in some instances, as Mellon took pains to emphasize, it is clear they want to be seen as though taunting us. All right, leave comments down below. We have some more here. Why is there a U.S. aircraft? I guess the person that witnessed it, he's putting out his story, and I guess it was someone from the Air Force. So this person who served as Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense for Intelligence under both President Clinton and Bush told the DailyMail.com that since last year, Langley event, a similar series of intrusion has also occurred over California. So this is happening basically in military bases. All these strange objects is happening near military bases. So an hour drive north of Los Angeles, Palmdale is home to defense contractor Lockheed Martin's classified Skunk Works, which made the F-22. A spokesperson for Edwards Air Force Base near Palmdale told the War Zone this August that investigators were monitoring that situation to determine if there is any ill intent. And even if not, we are trying to find out why or who is doing it. Similar efforts are still underway on the East Coast at Langley, but the commander of its Air Combat Command, General Mark, said the Gov is stumped. The bizarre craft above Langley, home to at least half of the Air Force fleet of F-22 Raptor stealth fighters, led 2 weeks of emergency White House meetings. And over the past 10 months, Air Force investigators, local police, and even NASA analysts operating the space agency's high-tech WB-57F research plane have all taken a crack at trying to identify the mysterious craft, with no answer in sight. What would the sleeping giant do, as General Kelly put it to the Wall Street Journal, if this happens over National Mall? There's definitely something going on. So once again, General Kelly said the unidentified craft appeared to be 20 foot long and were capable of flying over 100 miles per hour at an altitude between 3,000 and 4,000 feet. The journal noted an overlapping incident in which a University of Minnesota student and Chinese national was caught photographing U.S. Navy vessels under construction in nearby Norfolk, Virginia, via commercial drone. But the amateurish incident, for which she was sentenced to 6 months in federal prison, appears to be unrelated to the sophisticated squadrons of mystery, or give me a second here, mystery craft. So I make no claims regarding their origin. Perhaps many are, here we go, the Red Dragon drones. I believe they are foreign objects. I believe they belong to the Red Dragon, and also they belong to the bear. We're just not being told the full story here. So again, like I say, guys, I don't believe in when it comes to small little alien creatures and stuff like that. That's something that's it just, I feel like it's a deceiving system. Because here's the thing. We, yes, us, America, we are the only one in the world that see aliens. Other countries are not reporting it. Why us? Because people out there saying, man, we're not seeing none of this type of stuff. So why is it that Sleeping Giant is so special? Why are we the only one? again, Sleeping Giant country is the only one that is reporting it. It says here, but their brazenness, range, flight duration, reliability, resistance to countermeasures, and indifference to detection are confounding. In some cases, motherships have been reported, according to Mellon, who also managed security and information operation for part of his time at the Pentagon. These motherships, Mellon clarified, were extremely faster, larger vehicles that have been observed collecting or releasing swarm of smaller craft. One such mothership case was investigated by the FAA special agent, or over Nebraska Gov records show. So once again, you have sheriff reported seeing 30 to 50 unusual craft flying independently of one another with a larger mothership. Well, here's the thing, guys. I mean, we have the best recording cameras in the world. I mean, the mothership got to be huge. I mean, again, you can't miss that. I remember that one there. Cranian soldier film disc UFO hovering against the wind. Give me a second here. Let me just screenshot this one. At Langley last December, Air Force personnel equipped with drone busters signal jamming weaponry designed to counter remotely piloted enemy drones reported that these mysterious craft failed to register on their anti-drone devices. One witness reported being unable to use their drone buster due to not having a visual. Their testimony was released via the Freedom of Information Act, first published by the Liberation Times on Monday. In one, December 6, 2023, encounter detail in the FOIA documents, a Langley witness describes serious aerial penetration above a parking and servicing area for base aircraft known as the flight line. I spotted 9 drones in diamond formation flying over, heading towards the flight line. Now it says here, redacted, and I followed the swarm onto the flight line where we lost visual of the swarm over the bay. Amid this frenzy of activity, NASA's Langley Research Center was also conscripted to aid in the effort to hunt down and identify these mysterious drones. NASA WB-57F, according to a research center spokesperson, provided additional imaging support as they circled the base on December 18 and 19, 2023. The activation of a specialized NASA aircraft equipped with what may be the most sophisticated airborne camera system in the world, suggesting that the Sleeping Giant Gov was truly baffled by these incidents. I'm sorry, guys. It's just really hard to believe all this. Believe none of what you hear and half of what you see. Alright, so the rest, guys, is just talking about like certain like the history stuff. And here's some of the pictures here. So yeah, it talks about the history stuff and yeah, so all these like history stuff, talking about the court hearings and so many other things. I'm gonna leave this link in my description box if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. And of course, here's the spy balloon. All right, so yeah, it's all history stuff right here. February 2023. I can't believe that was almost 2 years ago. Almost 2 years ago, that spy balloon. Almost 2 years ago. Are you serious? Wow. Time flies quick. All right, so that's where we at right now, guys. So I'm gonna leave this in my description box if you guys want to check it out. But supposedly there is a mothership is releasing these drones at military bases. Why us? Because other countries are saying, man, we're not seeing nothing. But again, guys, like I said, I would keep you updated on this story. But leave comments down below. And again, this is an update of Virginia. And Virginia, they were told, the military were told not to touch them, not to fire at them. And if they get close or do anything like, trying to, cause a huge event, then they have the right to open, fire. But as of right now, there's been reports, there's been a lot of drones in Virginia military bases. And supposedly there was a White House meeting and this and that. So I will keep it updated. This is my second video. Again, please share it. And I will share the link in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, for those of you that want to give a life to Christ, you can email me. My email is in the description box. Me and my wife are here to help many and to lead many to the righteous path. And that's the path of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. Once again, guys, $1 a month Patreon. We get you access to our live stream every Monday. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Put faith and trust in Jesus Christ. For he's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father but through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.